I'm Ranjini Ramamurthy and I've come from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. And I did my undergraduation in BTech Information Technology, post which I worked for a few years in the corporate field, and then I quit my career to prepare for civil services after that. And then I couldn't emerge successful in the examination, so that's when I saw this opportunity that Chanakya is offering a fellowship in social sciences, and that's how I got to know, and I applied for the same, and here I am. My first feeling would be just plain excitement as to what this university as well as the program and the faculty and the other people are going to offer. As part of fellowship, I was curious to know as well as excited to understand what will be my learnings and what will I take away from this university and what more I will be able to contribute as well. So I chose this university because it offers a multidisciplinary experience. So this fellowship is designed to cover 25 courses across 10 months. So I don't think a lot of universities currently offer this kind of vast coverage of curriculum in a short period of time. I thought that getting exposed to a lot of these subjects like economy, international relations, public policy would enable me to be become a much more empathetic, and it will enable me to choose my career pathways in a better manner after this. Currently, I would say since this fellowship started, we've been busy as well as we have our free time. That's how I'd put it. I wouldn't say it's all the time very busy. So only when the classes commence and only when we have assignments and we have the presentations and we have other exercises to do, that's when it becomes a bit busy. But other than that, there's always leisure time that we can use. It's been very profound, and because I'm in part of term 1, and 3 courses have come to an end till now. So these 3 courses are varied in itself. The first being research methods, the second being economic and public policy, and then the third being Indian politics and governance. So we also have another 2 courses that's ongoing, health policy and academic writing. So I would say learning from different faculties and very distinguished people from different arenas of life and sitting in the classroom and getting their exposure, I think leaves me with a lot of takeaways, and I'm able to learn a lot more than academics here. I would recommend this particular fellowship program to my friends, family as well as my acquaintances in case they are interested to explore the other segments, because I felt that this fellowship is not so narrowly aligned and it actually opens our eyes to a plethora of subjects. So for people who are really interested and who are actually skeptical about what career path to choose, whether it should be research or whether it should be a career in corporate or whether it should be some sort of a dissertation, I think this is the best place to be, because we are exposed to almost all the courses that could possibly, be capped in the bigger frame of subjects. And so since we have this exposure, I would definitely recommend this to people here. My explanation would be education beyond classroom teaching. So I think Chanakya University is a symbol of that, because more emphasis is given on the formative assessments than the summative assessments, as the university is lined alongside the National Education Policy 2020. So I think education beyond classroom teaching is what I would refer Chanakya University as.